What was he doing?
One time when he fell, he was walking with my leftovers, and he was like this. Then he did this. He was like that.
Oh.
And then it was like, Ow.
I'm trying to stay close to him. Uh-oh, you alright? Boy, you're having fun, aren't you? Are you having fun in Aubrey's shoes? They're kind of slick.
Thank you, Elliot.
You have to be careful.
Mommy, can you say
Be careful.
Can you say thank you?
Are you going to take them off, or are you going to keep them on for a while? You're going to take them off? Okay. Say thank you, Aubrey. Say thank you, Aubrey.
You're welcome.
Oh, you love those princess shoes. Good job, buddy.